you go with my chief assistant, John Boyd. Just flushing all this oil out.
Tell me when to stop.
No, just keep going, guys. Slow down a bit though, because this thing will get full up, I think. Go on, boy. That's it. Go on, guys. There you go.
Alright, change my grip.
99 change hands. We'll get as much of that out as we can. Right, Blake, hold your fire there. And I've got to try and empty this out somehow. What can I empty that into? Right. Let me cut it off, John. Just, I don't think you can fall anywhere. He's alright like that from that. I do need something to empty this all into, so we can go again. What can I empty that into?
I've got a big 5 litre water bottle, I think.
What, a knackered one?
Yeah.
Is it knackered?
Yeah.
I don't think it's any good. I will replace it. We're still taking it.